Hi, my name is Warren Ropp. I had the opportunity financially to be able to purchase a 2024 Corvette E-Ray. And so with that being said, I wanted to protect my investments. So I have a friend here in Ocala that I called him up. I said, hey, I've been looking for somebody that might be able to do this. I found a company there. It's called Platinum Auto Armor. So we stopped by just to check them out, see what they were all about. And they were very hospitable from the very beginning. And they invited us into the shop. They showed us the procedure. They told me what some people do and what they do. And then I went back and researched that some more before I actually decided to go with Platinum Auto Armor. And I'm very glad we did, because I will tell you, you need not to look any further. If you want your job to be done right, this is where you need to come to. It's second to none. I took it home. I've been driving it. I mean, it's very, very easy to clean because of the ceramic coating. But then I did have one little area on the front spoiler right up in here that did not adhere quite right. And he said, he took one look at it, he says, bring that thing back, we'll get you fixed up. And that's why I'm back today also, because he's taken care of what he said he would take care of, no questions asked. And I consider the whole group here at Platinum Auto Armor is almost like family now, because they really are great people. For anybody that purchases a new vehicle, and it does not have to be a vehicle such as this, it can be everybody's daily driver. You want to protect your investment. And with the price of vehicles nowadays, you got to take care of, because you want to make them last a long time. And one thing I did notice down here in this Florida heat, the paint just deteriorates terribly. So I would recommend Platinum Auto Armor to anybody, their daily driver. Obviously, it's nice to do it with a new car right off the bat. You just might as well plan on spending a little bit of money, but I'll tell you what, it's going to make the value of that car stand out way past its normal lifetime.